and welcome to the Melissa BellyDance Comprehensive Belly Roll course.
This course is for you, whether you want to learn how to belly roll or whether you can already belly roll but want to enhance your skills and your technique.
This course is for you.
I have created my own belly rolls method, which includes lots of drills, techniques, and exercises to teach you how to get the best belly rolls. I teach you what muscles to use, when, and how. And for the first time, I'm sharing it with you in this purpose-built course designed to teach you all about how to access and use your muscles effectively. This course is fully comprehensive and progressive, meaning that each class is designed in a way that you can do it many times, following the various options provided in each and every class. I teach you how to build a solid foundation, and then we continue to build on it. Once signed up to the course, you have the option of sending me videos of your progress for feedback and advice. In course 1, you'll learn solid belly roll technique, which is great for beginners or people wishing to improve their belly roll technique even more. In course 2, the fun really begins as we deep dive into advanced belly roll work, rhythm work, and tricks as we continue to develop our belly rolls even more. I will look forward to seeing you in class. Bye.